other benefits of an ELSS fund, apart from a tax savings point of view, our chief financial planner, Mr. Ramalingam, will elaborate on this. Ramalingam, over to you.
If you don't have any tax saving requirement, will ELSS have any additional benefit? No. ELSS mutual funds are an ongoing equity mutual fund where the fund manager invests in different equity stocks. Simple, right? So it is a diversified equity fund with a 3-year lock-in period. Instead of investing in an ELSS fund, you can choose to invest in a diversified open-ended equity fund that will give you much better flexibility for you. After 1 year, the fund is not performing, you want to withdraw, you can do it. Whereas in an ELSS fund, you will not be able to do it. From the fund management perspective, from the return perspective, there will not be any much of difference between ELSS and the existing non-ELSS equity funds. That way, if you don't have tax saving requirement, you can avoid investing in ELSS fund. Instead of that, you can choose simple open-ended equity funds is what you can choose.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.